Hi everybody, this very short video is to help you figure out how to register and make an appointment with the Writing Center. It's pretty easy to do, a few simple steps, and you'll be able to see us and get help with your writing. The page you are looking at right now is the UMSL Writing Center appointment website, and you can get to that website by going to umsl.mywconline.com. Or if you want to, just Google UMSL Writing Center. It's the first thing that pops up, and you can get our appointment link very easily that way. So when you do come here for the first time, you will have to probably register with us if you haven't already. You can do that by clicking on this registration link in the upper left. We do require that you use your UMSL email address, which is your ssoid@mail.umsl.edu. You fill out your first and last name, your standing, your major, these fields here, choose a password, some optional things if you would like about getting notifications with us, and then hit register. I will not hit register because I already have an account, but once you do have an account, when you log in with us, let me show you what you see. You see a schedule that looks a lot like this. And the way this works is this is our summer schedule, so you can see that we have 2 writing consultants working with us. In the fall and spring semesters we have many more, usually around 7 to 8 to 9. What you do when you want to make an appointment with us is the way this works. Anything in white is open and ready to be booked. Anything in red is already booked for that day. Let's say you wanted to come in Monday, June 18th at 9 a.m. You would click on that white box, and what you would see is this pop-up box right here. Our appointments go from anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour in length, so you can simply choose an hour if you would like to meet. I do recommend that if you have any piece of writing that's about 3 pages or more, go ahead and make an hour of time if you can afford that hour of time. If not, that's okay. We'll get as far as we can. The reason I say this is because 30 minutes in the Writing Center tends to go by very quickly, and we want to make sure you get all the time that you deserve for help. So if you make an hour of time and you don't use it all, that's okay. But we just want to make sure that you are getting all the help that you need. So if you're meeting us in person on campus, we're in SSB 222. Just leave this field alone. You want to meet face-to-face, that's fine. But if you do want to meet online, you can schedule an e-tutoring appointment, and we'll go ahead and make this pretend session an e-tutoring appointment. So we want to know what you're working on. We want to know what college your major is located in. We want to know who's teaching the class, and then we want to know what you're working on, like what kind of writing you're working on. And of course, this can come in a lot of different ways. There are bad answers to this question. So for example, this is a rather bad answer to that question. So be as precise as you possibly can be, and we will be best prepared to help you when you come in to visit us. We want to know what you're concerned about. A lot of people want help with grammar, and that's totally fine, but other people want help with developing ideas, making sure their ideas are clear. If you have something unique that is kind of a concern to you, just let us know down here. We'll be happy to help you. A lot of people want help with citation, and if you do want help with citation, be sure to tell us what kind of style you're using in the box below. We want to know where you are in the writing process. You can be anywhere from not started all the way up to revising and polishing. And we want to know what you're doing well, and if you have any additional questions, if you want to list those there. So once I hit Save Appointment, it will actually, because I made this an online appointment, it's going to prompt me to attach a file. And I can do that by clicking here, choosing a file, titling it, and uploading it. Of course, I don't have a file to choose, but let's just pretend I did. So when I save that appointment, as you can see, what happens here is that slot turns yellow. That means that's mine. And what this means for myself on June 18th, on Monday, is that Danielle, the person I made the appointment with, is going to go in at 9 a.m. She's going to download my paper. She's going to give me feedback based on the needs I listed in my appointment sheet. And then at 10 a.m., she's going to stop working on it, and she's going to send it back to me, complete with feedback, revision suggestions, other things she may have noticed, anything I asked about. And then that's it. You will have your email, or you will have your paper in your email from the writing consultant. It'll also be on our appointment website if you want to log in, click on your appointment, and download it that way. I think that about says everything. You can always cancel appointments. All you do is if you make an appointment and you realize you can't make it to campus that day, that's okay. You can either turn it into an online appointment if you so choose, or you can cancel it. You can log in, click on your appointment, just like this, and at the very bottom there is a cancel button. So that's how you do that. If you ever have any questions or concerns about making an appointment, or if anything has gone wrong with your appointment, or anything has gone very, very well with your appointment and you want to let me know, you can contact me. My email address and phone number here are on the screen, so you can just shoot me a message and I will be happy to speak with you if need be. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you and work with you in the Writing Center. Thank you. Bye.